Hey there, in this video I'll guide you through buying, activating and installing on Esim on Airalo. The easiest way to stay connected while traveling. Airalo is perfect for travelers because it offers affordable instant eSIMs for over 200 countries and regions without the hassle of physical SIM cards or crazy roaming charges. Here's how to get started. You'll need to download the Airalo app from the App Store or Google Play, or you can do it from their website. Once installed, open the app or go their website and create an account or login if you already have one. Now select the country you are traveling to or choose a regional or global plan. If you are visiting multiple destinations, you will see various data plans. Pick the one best suits you. Uh, Now tap on buy and proceed to the checkout. Uh, you can pay using a credit or debit card, PayPal, Apple Pay, or even a cryptocurrency in some cases. Once the payment is successful, your eSIM will be ready for installation. Activating and installing your eSIM. After purchase, you will find your new eSIM in my eSIM section of the app. Tap on it and follow this step. Make sure your device is eSIM compatible and unlocked. Then tap install eSIM and follow the on-screen prompt to add the eSIM to your phone's setting. This usually involves scanning a QR code or manually entering the eSIM details. Once installed, go to your phone settings, then find your new eSIM and make sure it's set the activate line of data if needed. Now double check the data roaming is turned on and that your eSIM is set as the primary line for mobile data. Test the connection to make sure it's working, and that's it. You are all set to stay connected abroad. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your fellow travelers. Happy exploring.